iOS 18, Apple opens up lock screen camera access to third-party apps. Apple's iOS 18 update is bringing a lot of exciting features, including a customizable home screen and Apple Intelligence. But one of the most interesting updates is the new API that gives camera apps special privileges when added to the lock screen of the iOS devices. So what's new? With iOS 18 updates, users can replace flashlight and camera buttons on the lock screen with any app they want to replace with. But third-party camera apps didn't have the same privileges as Apple's camera app, like opening instantly without authentication. To fix this, Apple introduced the LockedCameraCapture API, which provides third-party camera apps the same privileges. Now, how does it work? The new API feature could allow developers to create an extension to their camera app that will run directly from the lock screen. This extension must show a camera view immediately after the user interacts with it, without any welcome screens or authentication. This means users can quickly capture the photos and videos without any more delays. To protect the user data, these extensions won't show the user's photo library without authentication. They also can't interact with the network or access other parts of the system. And since they're integrated with the new Controls API, they work through the Control Center too. Additionally, rumors have been surfacing around suggesting that the iPhone 16 Pro will have a new capture button upgrade dedicated to the camera. If true, users may be able to open their favorite camera app using this new button.